Hey there, Brysen from Bold Commerce. In this video, I'm going to give a brief description of Bold Account Center and show you how to set up a Bold Account Center organization and invite Bold's migrations team to your organization. Bold Account Center is a tool that allows you to manage your Bold apps, integrations, and users from one centralized location. You can also create API access tokens here to begin using our available APIs to launch new integrations. Bold Account Center is also used by our migrations team to help you migrate subscriber data from other applications or platforms over to Bold subscriptions for Shopify checkout. Now that we know more about Bold Account Center, let's go through the setup of creating a Bold Account Center organization and inviting Bold's migrations team. Navigate to apps.boldapps.net/accounts/login and select Create Account at the top of the page. On this page, fill in the first name and last name fields. Next, enter in an organization name. The name that is used represents all the stores that are connected to your organization. With Bold Account Center, you can connect multiple stores to the same organization. After setting an organization name, enter in an email address and password that is used to log into your organization account going forward. After an email and password has been entered, select Next. On this page, select your store's platform name using the platform selector and enter in your store's admin URL. The URL must be entered using a format of yourstorename.myshopify.com. In my example, I'm going to use bold-team-subs.myshopify.com. After entering in your store URL, select Add Store. If you already had Bold subscriptions installed on your store, a verification is required. Select Verify Store, and if prompted to, log into your store's admin to finalize the connection. After a successful connection, a congratulations message is presented that allows you to invite users to your Account Center organization. Select Invite Users and invite our migrations team to your organization. On the invitation page, enter migrations@boldcommerce.com. For the first and last name, enter Bold Migrations, and in the permission section, select the support role. After selecting the support role, select Send Invite at the bottom of the page, then select Continue. After inviting the migrations team, we need to add the subscription importer integration to allow our migrations team to continue with the migration. The integration can be added by selecting the arrow at the bottom left corner of the page, then selecting Launchpad. On the Launchpad page, select the Integrations tab, then select Add next to Subscription Importer. On the next page, select Approve. And that's all there is to it. For more information on navigating Account Center, check out our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com.